Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python dates. So let's see what is it. So in that case, Python dates, what is happening? We can create a date like today's date, like current date, or what was the last date, or all kind of dates. So let me tell you how can we do that. So first you have to write the detail like this. First you have to import date time. What kind of date time you want. After that, you have to write the variable x equal to date time dot now. So it will provide you the what is the current date right now. Okay, and then we will write print x. So now on screen, you can see that it provided you the date and the time, what is the current time. Okay, so that is how you can create the date time with the help of this method. So the date contains year, month, days, hour, minutes, second, and microseconds. So now on screen, you can see that example is also mentioned how it will be able to mention you that. So these are the kind of formats, date outputs that will be available when you run this code. This is one of the easiest way how can you create it. And now on screen you can see that it is provided you the date with the help of that only. So this is one of the easiest way. Okay, fine. Now let me write print x dot year. Okay. Now what is the year right now? So it will only provide me the year that I have mentioned. I will write day. So what is the day of this today? So this is the day. So that's how you can write it, and it will provide you the particular things also. So this is one of the easiest way to create the date time, and these are the formats how can you write it. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to Python. Thank you so much.